How to reverse three-phase motor. Hello and welcome to the first project in part 2 of the Excellent PLC Projects for Engineering Students course. In this project titled How to Reverse a Three-Phase Motor, we will examine the functionality of PLC control programs. Originally filmed using Simatic S7300 PLC and Simatic Manager software, the pre-written programs have been converted for use in CODESYS. Let's examine the program in action. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. Project number 1. Controlling a three-phase motor to run clockwise and counterclockwise. Welcome everyone. Today we are examining a fascinating way of controlling three-phase motors. We will examine an electrical systems control panel equipped with 3 essential push buttons, allowing us to seamlessly dictate both clockwise and counterclockwise motion. In this video, we examine the operation of an electrical machinery systems control panel featuring 3 push buttons. Depressing PB1 initiates clockwise motion, while PB2 triggers counterclockwise motion. Pressing PB3 stops both outputs. Safety remarks. Ensuring that both outputs, CW or CCW, cannot be activated simultaneously. Implementing a safety delay. If the motor is running and the start push button for the opposite direction is pressed, the motor stops. After a 10-second delay, it restarts automatically in the new direction. Let's go ahead and run the program. I depress PB1, CW contactor turns on, its color goes from green to yellow. I depress PB3 to stop motor. I press PB2 to turn on counterclockwise contactor. I press PB3 to turn it off. Now, I press PB1 to turn it on in clockwise direction and then depress PB2 to change the direction. In this case, PLC press stops the motor, and after a 10-second delay, the motor restarts in counterclockwise direction. While the motor is on in counterclockwise direction, I depress PB1, then counterclockwise contactor turns off, and after a 10-second delay, the motor restarts in clockwise direction. Depressing PB3 stops the motor again. How to download and run pre-written project programs using CODESYS. To download any of the provided project codes into your virtual PLC, please follow these steps, assuming you have already installed CODESYS on your computer. You will receive project files such as PRJX, Project Archive, for each specific project. This section of the video will show you how to open and run a pre-written project file in CODESYS, helping you review how to manage other projects. Let's assume you have already downloaded PRJ1 Project Archive from Udemy to your computer and now you want to test it using CODESYS. Follow the steps to open Project 1 file and run it. Open CODESYS by clicking its icon on your desktop. Go to File, Project Archive, extract archive, and select the file you want, like prj1.projectarchive. Watch the video to see how to extract the project file. Once the project is open, click PLC PRJ on the left panel to view the code. And click Visualization to access the monitoring window. You will now see the PLC's wiring connections for I/Os, contactors, and push buttons. To simulate the program, go to Online Simulation in the top menu. If you edited the code and want to check for errors, click Generate Code to compile and ensure it's error-free. If no errors are found, close the code and run the project. Click Login, confirm with Yes, and then click Start. In the visualization window, you will see a 3-phase motor, 2 contactors, 3 push buttons, and their PLC connections. For example, click the Start CW button to turn on the CW light, which is yellow. Click Stop to turn off the motor. Test other functions in the visualization window to ensure the program works correctly. To edit the program code, click the PLC PRJ tab to open the code editor. You can change variables to test the program further. As an example, notice that when CW output is true, by activating a Start CCW and pressing Ctrl plus F7 keys, The timer TP0 activates for 10 seconds and then CCW output activates automatically. To edit the program, just click on Stop and then Logout icons on the main menu bar to go back to the PLCPRG window. To make sure that there is not any error on the code, you can test it by clicking on Generate Code icon. The Project 1 has been successfully downloaded and tested using CODESYS software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.